Welcome to the i3 and Cardiosoft installation guide. In this guide, we will run through the installation of our i3 software and Cardiosoft ECG package. Links for the downloads and to request your license keys are available by visiting support.newmed.co.uk. Feel free to pause and rewind this video as you go through the steps. We also have PDF and online copies of the installation guide on the above site. This install should take between 20 and 40 minutes. Please note, this installation will require IT admin rights. Start by installing the i3 software. Double-click the provided installer. For i3, simply follow the on-screen prompts until the install finishes. To install Cardiosoft, open the downloaded files or zip file. Double-click setup.exe. Again, follow the prompts as they appear. If you get the option, choose Express Mode. Follow the prompts again and agree to the license to continue. Here, you will need to enter the serial number provided. The serial starts with SSG and ends with HA. The PID is CST. Be sure to choose European setup. This stage can take a little while, depending if you already have any SQL components installed. Let's shorten this process for the purpose of the video. Follow the last couple of prompts. You don't usually need to restart the PC when prompted. You will now have these two icons on your desktop. Open i3 and click the cog to access the settings. Choose your clinical system. If EMIS, you also need to choose your region and enter your org ID. This is often called your CDB number and can normally be found at the top of your EMIS window. It is recommended to select when updated for filing height and weight, then tick the two boxes to allow comments and import patient height and weight. Next, we need to add your integration license. Click Internet Activation to use the product key. Click Manage Products and ensure just the GE CAM USB is selected. This list is for all NewMed integrated products you use. If you have BP, Spiro, or another supported ECG, leave the appropriate box ticked. Check the ECG settings tab looks like this. If you have multiple devices, tick the Choose Product serial shown here. Click Save to complete the i3 setup. Ensure you have the Cardiosoft ECG connected before this next step. Open Cardiosoft. On the first use, you will be prompted for a password. Leave this blank and click Start Program. You will now need to set a password. We recommend Cardiosoft 1! Click OK and enter the password again to confirm it. Now log in with the same password. Choose System Configuration. Go to User List and untick Enable Password function. Click OK, then go to the System Configuration. Go to Resting ECG. We recommend setting screen format to 4 by 2.5 seconds plus rhythm. We recommend setting the filter to 100 MHz. If you are uncertain about this setting, please seek clinical guidance. Set the same for the final report, 4 by 2.5 seconds plus rhythm. In the export settings, tick these boxes. Use current final report format and generate automatic file name. We need to tick the PDF box, but we need to come back to this once enabled. In the printer settings, enable color prints. Now move to the Option Code tab. You will see your serial listed here. Choose Load, and browse to load the option code that was provided. The codes for your device will appear with ticks if the correct options have been loaded. Click OK, then go back into the system configuration. Go back to Export and you can now tick the PDF tick box. Click OK and OK again. You can then close the software. The setup is completed.